The era of code as a moat is over. If you write code, I have bad news. Your code is now a commodity. I'm Jeff Schell. I've been a founder and an investor through the dot-com crash, the mobile boom, and now the AI revolution. And I'm also a patents lawyer. In 2015, if you had a great app, that was enough. It was hard to build. It took 6 months and maybe $200,000 to build an MVP. That barrier to entry, that app itself, was your moat. In 2026, though, an MVP costs $500 in AI credits and might take a weekend. AI agents can code entire platforms in minutes. So what is your company, the startup that represents this AI-built app, actually worth? If anyone can copy your product in 48 hours, why would a VC give you $5 million? Well, the answer might be intellectual property, and more specifically, patents. In a world where execution is cheap, protection becomes the premium asset. I'm starting to see a massive shift in venture capital valuations. Investors are looking more for moats, including regulatory moats and IP moats. They want to know, okay, it's easy to build, but is it legal for you to build it? And can you stop others from building it? If you have a granted patent on the methodology underlying your system or your app, it doesn't matter quite as much whether someone else can simply copy your code. If you have that patent on the underlying algorithm, well, they might be infringing on your patent. This transforms your company from a software company into an asset company. When we look at exit multiples in 2026, companies with strong patent portfolios are trading at 3x to 5x higher multiples than companies with just revenue and code. This is because your patent can guarantee a protective moat around the underlying ideas of your app, whereas the code just does not. If you want to build a unicorn out of your software startup, you have to stop thinking like a coder and start thinking like an asset manager. Let's review your patent portfolio strategy and find out where patents can make a meaningful difference on the valuation of your startup. You can schedule a free consultation to review your patent portfolio and available patent strategies for your software startup by visiting shellip.com.